And we're back. Right. We're moving on to... I'm just going to weld that little itsy beatsy hole up. But yeah, we're going to tackle... that bit there. It's hard to see, it doesn't want to focus. But anyway, now this is going to be fairly straightforward. That is... Oh, I've done it on heaps of coupes. I cut... I don't know, 10mm in, keep it about the middle, and take that out, fold it up, and weld along the top of that, join it in, and then that solves that. That's caused by the chrome mould sitting there, which traps moisture. On the Falcon 500s, they only have a chrome mould that comes to about here, the corner piece, whereas the Fairmonts and stuff have a chrome, and the GTs have a chrome that comes all the way along the top, which goes down the doors. But yes, we'll tackle that bit. Also noticed, I was like, I thought that was bog dust, but then I realised I'm not using any bog because I don't like the stuff that much. And I realised, no, I'm actually wearing the paint off the floor. Tap dancing champion, 16 years running. Yeah, okay, so we'll run you through this one. So, after, believe it or not, 3 failed attempts to make this thing, because I screwed up each time. At one point I cut it the wrong way. The other time, the fold wasn't crisp enough. And this time, third time's a charm, I got it. So I've got 3 of them now. Always chasing perfection. I'm also really tired. Having a 3-month-old really makes you tired. Don't have kids. But you should. So that's all cleaned up. That's going to go in a second. Got my straight edge to put across here to make sure that stays straight, because that is actually supposed to be a straight line. You notice that it bows in slightly. But yes, we'll get that tacked in, lined up and looking pretty in no time. Okay, here we are at the end of the week. We're doing a pack up in a minute. We're going to do a massive reorganisation of the cars because the XD is next week. So that needs to be where this coupe is, and this coupe needs to be out of the way. So that done, bottom of that, and in here. So now you can bolt the chrome onto something. I've got to weld up that little hole there. No biggie. And I took out, well, roughly took out that dent that was in the quarter panel. So that'll do us for the week on this car. We cycle through the cars weekly so we can keep them all moving. Thank you for watching and subscribe.